Hey guys, it's Phoenix Cat here, and I'm just flying my drone around. Take two, because unforeseen technical difficulties. Those technical difficulties were spotted by Darkman the Direwolf, and without them, a lot of bad things would have happened. So, thanks to Darkman. But I've kind of perfected the drone flying thing. Don't mind the beeping. I think the battery's just getting a little bit hot. So I'll need to cut this video short. I should probably turn down the speed of the flying. Oh, there we go. Much easier to fly then. Oh, nope, come back. Ooh, boy. Eat. It's up a bit. Flat back. If I didn't have the phone in my other hand, I would be able to catch it. I might still be able to. Come on. And success. Well, since this beeping might annoy my viewers, I could try to just shut it up. If it starts beeping again, then yeah, I'll have to shut the video down for today, but other than that, didn't start beeping right after that, so I think it's good a little bit. Huh. Well, nope, there it goes again. Down. Yeah, the battery's getting a bit overheated. Oh, nope, it's going down. That means it's time to shut off. Darn, I wish I was able to do a little bit more today. Broke the controller, so I have to take the battery out every time I want to turn it off and on. But, since that's all I got for today, thanks for watching this non-technical difficulty version of the drone flying video. See all you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Goodbye.